Welcome to Carrie's Kitchen. Good to see you. This is my third year trying to grow my own food, and it's been challenging, but I learn something new every year, which makes it even more exciting. I got tired of buying all these different things to ward off the rabbits, the squirrels, and the critters. So eventually I just decided to just elevate my garden on my tables in grow bags, and it has worked beautifully. Looking forward to planting more stuff this year, a bigger yield. Until next time, bon appetit!